What's up, folks? This is Derek from Vic's World Famous Chicken in the Cooler, coming with the crazy dessert recipe, bacon smoked Traeger pound cake. You right, I said it, crazy. Putting the bacon on the Traeger to get a little smoke with the butter. I can't put my pound cake on the Traeger like I wanted to because I have the old style, only have one rack, and I want to keep a little water on there because it keeps the pound cake a long time to cook. But you're gonna see, I'm gonna take this bacon, put it on the Traeger, get some smoke on it, chop it up, make this world famous pound cake that my wife is known for, and I'm gonna add my own little flair. Bacon. She said, you can't put bacon in pound cake. I told her, bacon goes great with everything. All right, folks, let's go. Smoke from the Traeger. Bacon in there, get that smoke. First thing I'm gonna do, folks, is get my pan ready for this delicious pound cake. I'm gonna use pan because that pound cake already got so much other stuff in there. I don't need to use no real butter. I'm using pan butter spray. Get it all over here. See that? Get it all buttered up. Make sure you don't miss nothing. You don't want that pound cake to stick. Ooh, okay. Just gotta do it like my grandma used to do, old fashioned way. Just old fashioned way. You ain't making a mess, you ain't baking or cooking. Gotta make a mess. All right, covered. Get that mixture out of here. First thing we gotta do, folks, we gotta get that butter and sugar beat up. Gonna beat it up with this trusty KitchenAid. If you're gonna get a mixer, get your KitchenAid. We done had this KitchenAid about since I lived in McAllister, man. That was in 2010, 2025. My wife wanted for one of her presents. Long time ago. Long time ago. So it's gonna be $16 ounces of butter, 3 cups of sugar, oh, 1, 2, 3. Oh, we're gonna mix this up and fluff it up. Oh. All right, we're gonna take this butter and sugar and we're gonna beat it till it's fluffy. Medium. For about 5 minutes. Push that sugar mixture down a little bit. Gonna beat this up for about 5 minutes. Beat that up. Beat that sugar up. Beat that sugar up. Oh, beat that sugar up. Beat that sugar up. Oh. Now, I may not know about that song. Maybe before your time. But you gotta beat that sugar up. Beat that sugar up. Oh. Pound cake is probably one of the best desserts. I love a good vanilla pound cake. Especially if you make it good. Gotta get it fluffy. It's almost there. Got about a minute or so left to go to a fluffy consistency. About 30 seconds left. Now I'm gonna add these 6 eggs one at a time. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, and last but not least, 6. Let that get real good beat in there. Push around the edges down, get that shit down there and back in there. Get that sugar, cream, butter, egg, push back in there. That real beat up in there. So there's 3 cups of flour, half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, cup of heavy whipping cream, and then you alternate it by putting but I'm gonna use cake batter extract instead. Since I'm using bacon. Make sure you do not, I repeat, you do not preheat the oven. You put this pound cake in there. Whew. Ooh. Cream in there. Okay, folks, this is what I'm gonna do to incorporate that bacon into that pound cake. Ah, lost a piece. It's got to be tragic. And then the steam coming out, see? Saved it. All right, folks, there it is right there. Traeger bacon smoked pound cake. Gonna let this cool off while it's on the rack. And once it does, time to try it. Oh yeah.
Right, it's hot in here. You gotta keep it
Down. There you got it, folks. Pound cake. You see that bacon in there? Oh. Told you. Saved it. Just because I smoke good meat don't mean I can't make something sweet. Okay, folks, there it is. Get a little slice out of here. Look how fancy it is. I like this the way this pound cake is. So now still warm. It probably still needs to cool a little bit more, but I couldn't wait any longer. And I know how y'all love to see it. Oh, there it is. Bacon on top, pound cake. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Sweet, light, airy, bacony, smoky because it came off the Traeger, that bacon. Hey, like, comment, subscribe. Not only do I do meat, I do sweets. Book today. See ya.